Hello, my name is Elijah, and today I am making homemade french fries. You will need 1/3 cup of oil, a potato which I have already pre-cut, a bowl, Cajun seasoning, and a pan. And that's all you will need. Since I have already pre-cut the potatoes, I will need to put them inside of the bowl. Then you're going to pour the oil on top of them. You don't want to put too much oil on there. You also don't want to put too little oil on there. Then you can put the seasoning of your choice on. I chose Cajun seasoning. You can put as much or as little of it as you want. Then you're going to put them in the air fryer. Next, you're going to want to drain the fries into the pan. Then you're going to want to press air fry. Make sure you set your oven to 450 degrees and cook it for 15 minutes. Alright, so now the fries are done. Now it's time to salt them. And there we are.